Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to clean a projector filter. This will be a full tutorial and also a very easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this projector and we're going to look for the filter. That's the first step. What you want to do is turn the projector and you want to look for a grate, okay? Now as you can see right here, this is a grate right here, but this is not actually where the filter is because you can see through the grate and there's no filter right there. So we're going to look for another grate. If I look on this side right here, you can see this grate right here, and if you look closely you can kind of see that there's a filter there. Now there's going to be a way to remove the cap for the filter. So what you can do is you can start off by just getting a vacuum and you can sort of vacuum through the grates just to get rid of any surface dust that might be caught in between the grates, because what you don't want to do is remove the filter and then have that surface dust get inside of the projector. So just vacuum this area first, okay? Then you want to look for a cap. Now some of the caps are screwed down, but most of them can just be popped off. So if you look, right above or right below, it's likely going to be above. But look around that filter grate and you can sort of pop it out of place. So I can pop it up just like that. So you can see I've popped it out just like that. There's this little piece holding it in place. And what we have here is a removable filter. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my finger, because you can probably grab it with your finger, and I'm going to pull this filter out. As you can see, this is actually the air filter, and what we can do here is we can take a vacuum and we can vacuum all of this off, okay? Now I would not recommend that you wash this with water. If it's severely dirty and you can't get the dirt out by vacuuming it, then what you might want to do is just replace it, okay? For the most part, these are really, really inexpensive. They're really, really cheap and easy to find as long as you know the model number of your projector. But basically, you want to just vacuum this, and what you can do is you can sort of use a vacuum that has like a brush on the end of it, and you can sort of agitate it as you're vacuuming it to remove all the dirt. Okay, so when you're done vacuuming that filter, put it back in the same way that you found it. You don't want to put it backwards, remember, so pay attention to the way that you took it out. Most of them are only going to fit in one way, but pay attention anyways, just in case. So once you're done vacuuming it, it's going to be nice and clean. You're going to put your filter back in just like that, place your cap down, and you're good to go. And that's basically it. As I said, I wasn't actually cleaning the filter at this moment, but I wanted to show you how to clean the filter of a projector. And I demonstrated with this specific projector, but it's the same process with pretty much all projectors. They work in the same way. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.